Hey guys, wake up! I got a squishy!
Get going, Dr. Freeman. Nova Prospect is just ahead.
The Freeman honors us by his presence. Follow Freeman.
The free man has a squishy.
The Freeman will now be instructed in the use of theropods. Attend now and learn to shepherd ant lions with the so-called bug bait. The Freeman will now break out his theropod and toss one into yonder pit.
That's right. They love me because I got the squishy. I got the rock now. I got the rock.
Observe the training mannequin. Against the dummy.
What are you doing? Get it. Get him.
The Freeman again excels at all tasks.
Yeah. Kill him. Kill him. Kill him.
Now, attend well. Apply pressure to your theropod to signal the ant lions in your command to follow you. The Freeman shows his excellence in all things. And now this one must bid the Freeman farewell. Nova Prospect lies just beyond. Remember well what you have learned here.
Raise the fucking wall.
Has greatest confidence in you.
Or I'll squishy your balls. Come on! Get him! Oh. You are a brother. Follow me, my friends. Follow me! Assemble! Where is Jerry and Frank? Jerry, Frank, get in line, damn it! I will turn this mean machine off for you. Come! Come, my friends!
Priority warning. Outland stabilization force 6 Nova Prospect. Perimeter restrictors disengaged. Priority warning. Perimeter restrictors disengaged.
I would like to introduce my ant lions to you. Everybody line up. Line up. Line up! Alright. This is Jerry. What's up, Jerry? You might recognize him. He has the red ass. This is Frank. He's got the cute face. This is Peter Pan. Don't ask me why. And this is Robot. You recognize Robot from the purple ass. Alright. me.
Warning. Perimeter restrictors disengaged. All stabilization delegates move to incursion hardpoint.
Bow to the squishy. Jerry, get your ass in gear. Fuck these bros up. Fucking get up.